Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your SIM card on Giffgaff. In order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser and here in the search bar, you need to search for giffgaff.com. Once you are on Giffgaff, on the home page itself, you will see this activate your SIM option. But before clicking on this option, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner and click on login and login into your account. Then click on the activate your SIM and it will redirect you on the next page where you will have to input your activation code that will be in the box provided and click on this yellow button that says activate your SIM button. Now once this step is done, on the next page you will be presented with your SIM card serial number and its original activation code. So you need to take a note of the serial number and exit the next page, and this way you will be able to basically activate your Giffgaff SIM. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video and pressing that notification bell. Thanks for watching.